This is the discovered remains of a Roman forum and baths, discovered by a guy who was making a hotel. It's the baths. This is the hotel built above it because he had to get the guys, the archaeologists, in to come and dig it up. So Roman bath pipes, and then this is the edge of the wall. There would have been a river on this side here, and on the other side, Hellenistic, about 300 years before, built. A lot of water pipes everywhere, old walls. And the tour group there, you can see how large this is. It's amazing. And quite the construction to keep it. An awful lot of water pipes. They really had a lot of plumbing going on here. Wells. And up there the forum. It's 1 square kilometer uncovered.